my YouTube family, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great and was waiting for my video eagerly. Is it? If yes, then thank you. If no, again thank you. Hi guys, this is your friend Sarika Sharma Agnihotri, and today I am going to solve a problem for you if you are facing that, and let's start it. So guys, if you are learning these days, everyone wants to learn, everyone wants to enhance their knowledge, right? Because we want to be Einstein. No, because we want to grow in our life, right? So what are the things? Today I'm going to talk about something serious because that depends, your growth depends on it. What is that one stuff? The stuff is how to make notes in the right way. Yes, because if we are learning something, it's crucial, it's very important to make your notes. But I was facing a big problem, guys. Like, I was learning a lot more things, but our mind is not able to learn each and everything. It is capable if we are doing the things in the repetition. But it's very important to make notes. And as you can know that we are making notes in the copies, we are buying copies from our childhood. There were the different copies like English, Hindi, Punjabi, computer, math, science, social, etc. Right? So we are making notes from our childhood, and that is. But still, if like I'm not taking your example, but I'm taking my example. Like I was like I still didn't know that how to make the notes in the right way. So let's start it, guys. Let's solve this problem for you. So guys, the problems I was facing, like I was thinking like it's time consuming. If I will make notes, that will waste my time. And I was not making notes. Even if I make, even what I'm saying, even I was making notes, it was really messed up. Why? Because I was writing each and everything. I think like everything is worth writing. I know we want to learn a lot more things, but still you can't write each and every line of your mentor or of your teacher, right? So the first thing was that I was thinking it's time consuming and I was dropping the idea to write the notes. Second one is I got confused what to write and what not to write. Yeah, that was the confusion I was facing. The third one was like, actually I have make notes with me. So the third one was, even if I make notes, I was writing each and everything, and when I needed to open it, it was a mess. Yes, I have created a mess, and I really don't want to revise from it. That was the third problem I was facing. And the fourth is that if you are learning from a YouTube video or from an online course, then it is difficult to learning. Why? Because while making notes, your main focus is just on writing the notes and not on the learning part. Is it happening with you? Then the fifth one is like I was using the same notebook for each and every subject. For example, if I was learning the communication skills, I am still learning. It's a lifelong learning, you know. So if I was learning the communication skills and leadership skills and social media mastery and etc., many things I was learning, I am learning actually, I was using the same notebook for each and every subject, every skill that I was learning. And if you are also doing the same mistake, then please stop doing it. Guys, these were the problems that I was facing, but now the time is to get the solution. Yeah, so the solution is, there are many solutions like the many problems. So the first solution is that I have used the different notebooks for each and every subject now, like we were doing in our childhood. So buy some different notebooks for each and every subject, every skill that you are learning. Like I have done this. Second thing is that, like, guys, I know it is very important for me that my mentor was saying each and everything. Like I was like, it's worth writing down each and everything, but it's not possible, na? So we need to make the notes of only actionable things. What does that mean? So it's mean that why we are learning, because we want to grow. Why we want to grow? Because we really want to be an Einstein again. We want to grow, yeah. Everyone wants to grow, right? But the thing is that we are learning to implement something. If you are learning just to take your knowledge in your mind only, and then you are doing the wrong thing, my friend. So make the notes of only actionable things. Actionable things, the things that you need to implement, that the actions that you need to take. Write those steps. Always make notes in 1, 2, 3, or step 1, step 2, step 3, like this. Third one is, if you are learning from an online course or from YouTube or whatever, stop the video and then write the notes. Fourth one is, write your ideas. You know that our mind is always active. Our mind is always active, like it always noted, and it always compares the circumstances of another person's with us, right? So whatever you are learning, if your mind is giving you a great ideas, don't forget to write them, because your idea will come like this and your idea will go like this again. So we have to write down our ideas, because an idea can change your life. An idea can change anyone's life. So guys, these were the problems that I was facing while making notes, and now I have solved my problems, and whenever I open my copies now, it's like great things, because we always need to make the notes of actionable things only. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope I have solved the problem for you, a big problem, because if you are learning and not making notes, then what is the purpose of that? If you are not able to revise from it, if you are not able to implement the things, what are the steps that you need to done, then it's no purpose of learning, my friend. And if you are very intelligent, if you are already an Einstein, then I think you don't need to make notes, because you are all Einstein. You can revise and remember each and everything. So guys, thank you for watching this video till end, and if you like this video, if you learn anything, then let's like the video, and if you want to revise those things again and again, then you need to do one thing. Whatever you have learned in this video, just write down in the comments, and you will remember, your mind will remember it for at least a day, and then you have to implement it, and you will remember it for whole life. Okay, so have a good day, and thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye.